Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. In this video, we're going to talk about President Olusegun Obasanjo, former President Olusegun Obasanjo, on his blasting of the Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited. Nigerian National Petroleum Company Limited, NNPCL, for inviting him to come and see things for himself at the Port Harcourt and Warri refineries through the media. You know that recently the NNPCL claimed that Port Harcourt refinery is working and that Warri refinery has started working as an indication that Tinubu administration's promise of revitalizing those refineries had begun to bear fruit. But Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, who was a major player in Nigeria's politics and in Nigeria's governance, who have seen it all, cast doubt on the claims of the NNPCL based on his own knowledge. You know, don't forget, it was Obasanjo that started the idea of the president becoming the Minister of Petroleum. But Obasanjo was not a lukewarm president, Minister of Petroleum Resources. Okay? Obasanjo was somebody who understands who would like to know how these things are working, because Obasanjo like to surround himself with experts and also do his own personal research, unlike people like Tinubu and Buhari, who became Minister of Petroleum Resources just by name, and they don't even understand the intricacies of the workings of that sector, like Obasanjo. So Obasanjo, having studied that refinery, having known how its history, knowing how difficult it was for the NNPCL to make the refineries to work, when he was president, he approached Shell that Shell should manage the refineries on behalf of the federal government of Nigeria, since the NNPCL had failed. Right from Abacha, Babangida, they keep on doing turnaround maintenance without success. Obasanjo said, okay, let Shell come and take it over. Shell rejected the offer by Obasanjo. And Obasanjo said that Shell rejected it because of low capacity, that the refineries are of low capacity, while other refineries are producing up to 250,000 barrels per day. Okay, these ones are just about 60,000, 120,000 or thereabout. So they don't really see the viability of it. And there were also issues around corruption and everything. Shell said they will not participate in it, that is not viable. Already the equipment installed at the refineries are obsolete. They were obsolete. They were not as efficient as the new machines that are being produced in recent time. So Shell rejected the offer from Obasanjo. Then Obasanjo now turned to a Nigerian investor, Aliko Dangote. Aliko Dangote offered to take over Port Harcourt and Kaduna refinery to turn it around. He offered $750 million. Dangote offered $750 million to take over and manage the refineries. Okay? NNPC and those who are the bureaucrats, both in government and others, they protested and rejected that offer. They rejected that offer. Now, that offer was rejected by Yaradua. Obasanjo would have ensured that it was accepted, but Obasanjo was living at the time Dangote made that offer. So when Obasanjo accepted, Yaradua came in and upturned the whole thing. And he asked Yaradua why. He said that NNPCL people say they can manage the refinery, they know what is wrong with it. But at the end of the day, they have, between that time and now, they have spent over $2 billion with no success. But all of a sudden, following the success of Dangote's refinery, those in NNPCL now, they have found the magic on how these refineries have started working. Remember, before Dangote refinery started working in Lagos, these people were content with the importation of oil from outside. They were the major importer. NNPCL was major importer, and then was now distributed to marketers. Marketers now buy from them and distribute all over the country. But the importer, NNPCL, became a sole importer. They were happy with that until Dangote emerged. When Dangote emerged, we all know how they tried to sabotage Dangote. And Dangote cried out. Dangote cried out and pointed out that they were doing blending in mortar. That even the ones, the quality of the food they are bringing in, they have been just, they're getting it from mortar, blending petroleum products in mortar and bringing it into Nigeria. Now it appears as if that blended in mortar is now being done at home. And everybody is telling them that the refineries are working. Port Harcourt is working. Warri is working. The next thing you hear is that Kaduna is working. Perhaps in a way to shut Dangote up, who said that they were blending in mortar. But Obasanjo himself, who is a major player in Nigeria's politics and governance, say, I don't think that these people are telling us the truth. He is not buying into it. Because he said that he is not buying into that, the spokesperson of the NNPCL now invited him that he should come in a press statement issued to the media, said that Obasanjo is doubting that Obasanjo should come and see things for himself. And Obasanjo would not have any of that. Obasanjo responded in anger and said, is that how you invite the former president of Nigeria? Is that how they do the invitation? Through the social media or through the media, issue a statement that if you are serious, you want to invite Obasanjo to come and see things for himself, you will write to Obasanjo, to his office, formally, office of the former president, and write to him, telling him to come and see things for himself. And you can bet Obasanjo will take that invitation, but Obasanjo will go with technical experts who will be able to cross-check whatever they are telling him there. Because Obasanjo is not only a leader, he's also a learner. One of the characteristics of Obasanjo's leadership, from what I have gathered, is that Obasanjo is somebody who, if you tell him that this is better, if you are a minister, you tell Obasanjo, this is better, or this is what is obtainable in other parts of the world. Obasanjo will say, okay, I will study it. But by the time you left, Obasanjo will call experts both within and outside Nigeria and speak with them. By the time you return as a minister, and they tell you, say, okay, let us look at this issue again, Obasanjo will display knowledge about that thing more than even the minister himself. That's the kind of leader he had been. So I'm sure if they invite him formally, Obasanjo will take the invitation. Obasanjo is not somebody who shy away from controversy or from discussing issues of national importance. So if the NNPCL, they are serious, they should formally invite the former president and he will go and see this for himself. But he believes strongly that what the NNPCL are telling Nigerians are lies. Are lies. That is not true. Now, do I believe Obasanjo or do I believe NNPCL? I would rather believe Obasanjo. Why would I believe Obasanjo? Because Obasanjo had worked and spoken with the Shell people and discussed the technicalities of revitalizing these refineries. And Shell told him why it's not workable. So what magic had NNPCL performed that is now workable? Just because of the Dangote has brought up his own refinery. What is it, this magic that they did suddenly, that they couldn't do in the past 2 decades? In any case, has the price of fuel come down? Because if you say that Warri refinery is producing kerosene, can we know the price of kerosene today? Are they now cheaper than what the price of kerosene used to be before Warri refinery started producing kerosene, we are told? What is the price of a liter of fuel from Port Harcourt refinery today to that of Dangote? And how much are the average Nigerians buying them? Are they cheaper because it's produced in Port Harcourt now? Or is it higher or even as the same price in the international market? So these are the indications. If they had said that Port Harcourt is producing, Warri is producing, and they were able to prove to us that look at the price of kerosene, that the price of kerosene was 1,000 naira a liter before Warri refinery started producing kerosene. Now that Warri is producing kerosene, a liter is now 300 naira. We can now begin to rejoice. The same thing with the petroleum sector, production of petrol. Since we have not seen all these things, it will be on a safer side for us to be as skeptical as Obasanjo. That's my take. I don't know what to think about this. Whatever is your position, let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.